I kept your cup on the shelf like you come back for it. Rain on the porch rail, your old key in my palm. The screen door still talks when the wind gets mean.
Imagine creating your own song and music video in just a few clicks. No studio, no instruments, no editing skills needed. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called MakeSong that can generate full songs, lyrics, and even music videos automatically. Whether you're a content creator, a beginner, or just someone who loves music, this tool can completely change the way you create. So stick till the end, because I'll show you step by step how to use it and create your own AI song in minutes. After logging in, this is the dashboard. On the left side, you'll find all the main tools. You can create songs, generate music videos, and even AI singing videos. There are also options like photo creation, lyrics videos, and AI dancing videos. And below, you get tools like vocal remover and stem splitter for editing. So basically, everything you need is right here in one place. Now let's start creating our AI song. First, switch to prompt to music. This option lets the AI handle everything for you. In this box, you just need to describe your song. For example, you can write something like a romantic love song with a soft emotional vibe, slow tempo, and a piano music. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your result will be. You can also explore options like style, mood, voices, and tempo to fine-tune your song exactly how you want. Once everything looks good, simply click on Generate Music. Now the AI will process your request, and within a few seconds, your song will be ready. After that, you can play it, download it, or even generate more versions if you want something different. Now, if you don't want to write a full prompt, you can switch to lyric to music mode. Here, you have two options. You can either write your own lyrics, or simply click on Generate Lyrics and let the AI create them for you. This is perfect if you don't have any writing skills, because the AI can generate complete, emotional, and structured lyrics in seconds. Once your lyrics are ready, you can still customize everything, like style, mood, voice, and tempo, to match the exact vibe you want. For example, you can go for a romantic, sad, or energetic song, depending on your content. After setting everything up, just click on Generate Music. Now, the AI will process your lyrics and turn them into a full song with vocals and background music. Within a few seconds, your song will appear on the right side. From here, you can listen to it, compare different versions, and choose the one you like the most.
Kept your cup on the shelf, like you come back for it. Rain on the porch rail, your old key in my palm. The screen door still talks when the wind gets mean. And every small thing still says your name to me. I try to move on, try to let it fade, but the house keeps scoring 100 quiet ways. Every little corner pulls me back again.
And the best part is, you can download it and directly use it in your videos, reels, or any content. Now let's take it to the next level and create a full AI music video. Simply go to the music video section from the left side. Here, first you need to choose your music. You can select the song you just created, or upload your own audio as well. Once your music is selected, scroll down and you'll see the option to add reference images. These images help the AI understand the style and look of your video, so you can upload anything, like characters, scenes, or aesthetic visuals. Next, you have the video prompt section. Here, describe how you want your video to look. For example, a romantic story, cinematic scenes, emotional moments, or anything you imagine. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your video will turn out. You can also select the language, video quality, and other settings depending on your needs. Once everything is set, just click on Generate Video. Now the AI will start processing, and within a few minutes, your complete music video will be ready.
I kept your cup on the shelf like you come back for it. Rain on the
After that, you can preview it, download it, and use it anywhere. YouTube, Reels, or social media, and just like that, you've created a full AI song and video without any editing skills. And now, this is where things get really interesting. We're switching to the AI singing video feature. So instead of just creating music, you can actually turn any image into a singing character. First, you simply upload your audio file right here. It can be an MP3 or WAV. Then below that, you upload your image. This can be a portrait, a character, or literally any face you want to animate. Now here comes the powerful part. You can select exactly which part of the song you want to use. Just drag and adjust the timeline, preview it, and once you're happy, click confirm. After that, you can fine-tune the prompt. You can also choose the resolution depending on your needs. And once everything is set, just click generate. Within moments, your image comes to life, fully synced with the music. And honestly, this looks insanely realistic.
I kept your cup on the shelf like you come back for it. Rain on the porch, rail your key in my palm. The screen door still talks when the wind gets mean.
The facial movements, the lip sync, the expressions, everything feels smooth and natural. It literally looks like a real person singing. You can create virtual singers, faceless content, or even full music videos without ever recording anything. That's the power of AI right now. So yeah, that's how you can create AI songs and videos using MakeSong. Super simple, fast, and honestly really powerful. If you're a content creator, you should definitely try it out. If you want to try it, I've added the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.